Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be going over customization number 3 for the FabFitFun winter box of 2023. I haven't done these in forever and I just want to go through and just be surprised and see these as I go along. I haven't pre-looked at these spoilers because I'm just like wondering, is FabFitFun still good and worth your money, or is it not? I used to do these spoiler videos back in the day, and then I'm like, this kind of is not as good. So I just want to see if FabFitFun is as good as it used to be. And I remember winter boxes being like the best boxes every year. So I'm really excited. FabFitFun choices number 1 and 2 are really good. I wouldn't say the second one was my favorite. Number 1 was so good. So I'm excited to see how choice number 3 is going to be. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. But don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our very first spoiler is not looking good in my opinion, because this is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum 3-month supply for a $68 value. Reason being, I see this all the time in subscription boxes. I almost want to say I've seen this in FabFitFun, which I know I haven't done spoilers in a long time, so if you are seeing any repeat items, let me know down below, so I can just know, and other people can know what are repeat items if it's like their first time using the FabFitFun like situation. Anyways, it says this award-winning serum from the #1 lash and brow serum brand in America is a winter box must-have that promotes the appearance of longer, fuller, and healthier lashes through its safe and effective proprietary formula filled with amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. This ophthalmologist tested serum is so easy to use that just one daily swipe is all you need. Okay. I almost want to say I have this. I gave it to my niece though. I had some kind of Grande Cosmetics something. This is just one for me personally. I wouldn't pick. Next up we have from DP Hue the Apple Cider Vinegar Exfoliating Scalp Detox, which is a $35 value. I would want to see reviews on this first before putting it on my hair, only because of the fact that for some reason I don't have the best luck with hair. Anything that's not shampoo and conditioner, like masks and all the stuff, dry out my hair, and like, so it scares me to try new things. And the fact that this is apple cider vinegar, I don't want it to strip anything out of my hair, which I would say is the whole reason. I know that apple cider vinegar is good for your hair when you're swimming and you have like dyed blonde hair and it turns green. It can get that color out and bring it back, and then you have to like purple shampoo it or blue shampoo it depending on which color hair you have to get that to go back to normal. So in a way this seems like it'd be a good product, but I would just want to know more details and like reviews if I was to like think about picking this. But it says we already know that apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse ingredient, and this scrub-free scalp detox dissolves product and excess oil to keep the scalp balanced and healthy with reduced shedding and ingredients that stimulate hair growth. So it sounds great. I just want to know more, you know? Next up from Malin and Goats, the Peppermint Body Scrub, which is giving very much winter vibes. So this is a $32 value. It says the beginning to smell, no, wow, I can't read in this category, can I? It's beginning to smell a lot like the holidays with this peppermint body scrub. Ground pumice is synthesized with amino acids and glycerin to both exfoliate and hydrate the skin. Wow. This is a great one. Cool. Love that. Peppermint body scrub. Woohoo. Okay. We have Lemmy Irish Sea Moss Liquid Drops, a $25 value. Okay. So this is Kourtney Kardashian's brand. Okay. These drops support wellness in a multitude of ways, including the appearance of hair, skin, and nails. So, do you just put them on your tongue? Do you put them in water? I don't know. You probably just put them on your tongue, I'm sure. Oh, we have more. Lemmy Matcha Energy B12 gummies, which is a $30 value. Interesting. So let me tell you something. These gummies are a must if you want to get the most out of your day. Organic matcha, vitamin B12, and C0Q10 are an ingredient triple threat, so you'll have all the energy you need. I'm intrigued by this. I have been so tired for months now. It's been really hard to like get motivated to do anything because I'm just so tired. I literally just bought B12 gummies. I don't know the brand name. It's like, I think it starts with an I, and I got them from Walmart because I'm just like, I need something. So I would be really interested to try these. Have you tried anything from this brand? Let me know. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so next we have it from Coach, a cable knit winter headband, a $50 value. It says, we're here to show you that cold weather clothes can still be cute and stylish. This Coach cable knit winter headband is exactly what you need to keep warm while looking cool this season. The temperatures may be dropping, but your style game won't. This is really pretty. I love that it's white and the patch on the front is white. That's really pretty. And I do prefer when I'm like working outside to have these, because when I'm working outside I have my hair up in a bun, which farm girl life, so if I'm outside I'm doing things, I don't want my hair flopping around, so I do like these so much. Of course I couldn't wear this outside because of the fact that it's white and I wouldn't want to ruin it, but this is really cute. Next up we have from Beauty Bakery the Chosen Bun eyeshadow palette, which is a $38 value. This is a, oh my cat, turtle. This is a gorgeous neutral palette, perfect for everyone, like every day. Is it exciting? No, because it's a neutral palette, but if you're in the market for one, I'm sure this is going to be a great palette. I love Beauty Bakery. I love the brand so much. Their quality is really good, and I would not be like, don't buy this. Like, this is good. Like, get this if you want it. Like, it's probably really good. So it says, this beautiful neutral palette will help you create the holiday party looks of your dreams. Whether you stick with the matte shades, play it up with the sparkle, or use a little of both, these highly pigmented shadows blend seamlessly and have long-lasting staying power thanks to jojoba oil. Love that. And then we have one more. This is from Ouai. This is a leave-in conditioner, $30 value, which is apparently a past favorite. So we know this one is a repeat. Okay. Leave the arm workouts to the gym. The tiring task of detangling your hair will now be a whole lot easier. The Ouai leave-in conditioner saves you time and energy while serving as a heat protectant, detangler, and frizz fighter all at the same time. Okay, that one almost has me sold. If I had to pick anything in this category, at first, I will definitely pick the Lemmy Matcha Energy 12 B12 gummies, because of the fact that that's where my mind is right now and where my, like, my needs are, considering I literally just bought some. This is something that's intriguing to me. Second up, I would definitely want the Ouai leave-in conditioner, because my hair is so long from like here down. It's just so gross, but I don't want to cut it all off because I want the length. And all of that. I would pick this. Thirdly, I would go with the Coach headband, only because I have some, but they're black. I would like white. It would look cute if you're going out and seeing Christmas lights and you have like a white puffer vest on. It could match with your white little headband. It would just be a cute moment. Your head in hair in a little bun or a ponytail. It would be a moment. Great accessory. So anyways, let me know down below what you would choose and what your other choices would be, which of course I'm pretty sure you can add on also for like $15 more, like a product or so. So that's cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!